p.m. Eastern Standard Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Lynnhaven to 17 nautical miles southwest of Sandbridge to 13 nautical miles north of Eatonton, moving east at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Lynnhaven, Curragh Sound, Cape Henry, Ruddy Inlet, Curragh Beach Light, Nuts Island Bay, Deal Island, and Camp Devil Hills. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Chincoteague to Paramore Island, Virginia, out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Chincoteague to Paramore Island, Virginia, 20 to 40 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Paramore Island to the Virginia/North Carolina border, out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Paramore Island to the Virginia/North Carolina border, 20 to 40 nautical miles. Coastal waters from the North Carolina/Virginia border to Curragh Beach Light, North Carolina, out 20 nautical miles. Waters from the North Carolina.
I think we've established that it's on the water and that it's in Virginia.
North Carolina, 20 to 40 nautical miles.
I might be wrong, but I think...
At 4:13 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Onancock Inlet to 14 nautical miles west of Nuts Island Bay, moving east at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Horseshoe, Chesapeake Light Tower, Anglo-African Wreck, Virginia Beach Oceanfront, Assateague Beach, Cape Henry, Shipshoal Inlet, Quinby Inlet, Sandbridge, Buoy for Adridox, Deal Island, Great Mashapongo Inlet, Sandshoal Inlet, Cape Charles Light, Ruddy Inlet, Hot Dog Area off Virginia Beach, Wachapreague Inlet, Parking Lot, Wachapreague Reef and Blackfish Reef. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.